Hello team, today's challenge is largest number, where we're given, of all things, a string. We need to parse out the numbers in there and then return the biggest number. So a couple steps in here, right? That parsing of the numbers and then doing the thing. They have some separators in here, but we're going to do it a different way. I'll show you in a second. And then, yeah, the string will only contain numbers and separators. So the number can be negative. It can also have a decimal place, but everything else is some kind of delimiter, and we need to take care of that. So over to the code, right? Here we go. Right here, we're going to get our numbers, okay? That is going to be that string. We're going to split on that, okay? Just like this, it's going to be a regular expression. And inside of here, we are going to do, not like that, it's going to be square brackets because we want anything that is not. Okay, that's what the caret means. Anything that is not a number or a dash or a dot, right? They're using hyphens for negatives and the dots for decimals, right? So anything that is not these characters. And then remembering that split operates on strings, right? So right now, everything in there is a string. We want to get that number and force it to be an actual number, okay? So once we have all that, and we'll come back to this in a second. So we're gonna refine some things, but right now, once we have all that, we can use math, and specifically we use Math.max, and we apply our thing, okay? Specifically, we can toss that in there. That's nums. Because apply takes an array as its argument list, this works really well. Right before that, we need whatever this context is. We don't have one, so we're just going to set it to null, and everything works, okay? Now, is this a great solution? It's okay, and it gets the job done. But there are things in here that you might not be aware of. At least I wasn't. So I wasn't aware that Math.max will try to coerce numbers into numbers. So we don't actually need to do this little mapping step, okay? It all just works, and it works great, okay? The other side, I did apply because I wanted to teach this, that you have apply. We've seen a lot of bind, right, in past challenges. But apply will actually call the function with an array of arguments. Whereas if you had used something like call, we would have to spread those arguments out, okay? Because call expects a list of arguments, not an array. So this still works. But if I take all this, the reality is that I don't even need call, do I? Because I could just get rid of this and get rid of this context and spread it all out, and it works that way, okay? But I did want to touch on the fact that apply and a call are there, especially if you do need this context, right? So they're available to you. But yeah, for now, this is today's solution, okay? Not again, not every solution, just one good solution. And we started out by splitting and then mapping over that. We didn't really need the map, so we got rid of that, right? I could actually just delete that. And then we used Math.max. So we're using JavaScript to do the JavaScripty things, right? We have access to max, sorry. So we let it pick that number, right? Pick the high number and return it. We started out with apply in here, right? I got rid of it. Talked about apply and call, and then ultimately just spread it in because that's all we really had to do. And it works, right? It works great. Did you find another solution? Do you like this solution? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, today this has been largest number, and I will see you tomorrow.